Swiss design is all about function, not looks. To think like a Swiss designer, you need to strip away the unnecessary and focus on simplicity, clarity, and efficiency. Let's break down how to think like a Swiss designer step by step. Swiss designers eliminate anything that doesn't pull its weight. Cognitive load theory proves this. The brain can't handle excessive elements without slowing down. The Bauhaus movement, which shaped Swiss design, was built on this. Remove the excess and focus on function. Swiss designers ask one question: what can I cut? If an element doesn't serve a direct purpose, it's gone. Form follows function, always. John Sweller's 1988 cognitive load theory shows that too many elements lead to confusion. Swiss designers don't confuse, they cut. The Bauhaus, in 1919 to 1933, stripped away the unnecessary, and Swiss designers turned that into a law. Cut the fluff, leave the function. Once the fluff is gone, an order is required. That's where the grid system steps in. Swiss designers use the grid system to impose structure. It's not an option, it's the foundation. Need proof? Swiss railway timetables. They organize massive amounts of data cleanly, and grids are what make it possible. The grid is non-negotiable. It creates the predictability the brain craves, making information easier to process. Gestalt psychology explains this. Patterns help the brain understand chaos. Kurt Kafka's work in 1935 backs it up. The brain seeks order, the grid gives it structure, ensuring designs stay functional and clear. The international typographic style, pioneered by Josef Müller-Brockmann in the 1950s, made grids an essential part of Swiss design. Without a grid, the design falls apart. With it, everything clicks into place. Swiss typography is about communication, not decoration. Fonts like Helvetica, created in 1957, prove this. Swiss designers don't pick fonts for flair, they pick them for clarity. The brain processes simple fonts faster, as cognitive fluency theory shows. Helvetica doesn't distract, it delivers the message. Fast. Reber et al. In 1998 proved this. Familiar fonts speed up communication. Max Miedinger didn't design Helvetica to look good. He designed it to be legible. Swiss designers know typography is about delivering information quickly without clutter. Typography isn't about art, it's about getting the message across. Speaking of, thanks so much for all the support on the channel lately. It really means a lot, and I want to give something back to you guys. So do you need a job? That sounded a bit weird. But whether you're a UX designer, app developer, freelancer, or just a curious viewer, I want to get to know you guys, share some UX and UI tips, and maybe even get a gig. So I made a Discord channel for us and want to make this the place to be for front-end professionals. And I'm having talks with people to get some employers in there so you can connect with them too and find some jobs in the future. I'm really excited to get this thing started, so I hope you'll join me. Swiss design simplifies to reduce cognitive load. The brain can't handle clutter. When there's too much, users shut down. Swiss designers remove complexity because it improves function, not because minimalism looks nice. MIT's 2022 study confirms it. Users want fewer elements because they're easier to process. More elements mean more distractions. Swiss design kills distractions. MIT's study proves that fewer elements increase user engagement. Swiss designers aren't interested in adding just for the sake of it. Their goal? Clear, functional design. This isn't about style, it's about making things work. Swiss designers don't simplify for aesthetic reasons, they do it because it's effective. Swiss design values efficiency. The goal is always the same. Get to the point, fast. Hick's law explains why. Fewer options mean quicker decisions. Swiss Railways signage cuts out the confusion by giving clear, direct instructions. No excess, no clutter, just results. Hick's law, from 1952, shows that decision-making time increases with more options. Swiss designers aren't interested in slowing users down. They cut the options to keep things moving. Swiss precision engineering, whether in watches or design, shows that efficiency is about delivering fast, effective solutions. Efficiency isn't a suggestion, it's a requirement. Swiss designers know that constraints drive innovation. When options are limited, creativity thrives. Creative constraint theory shows this clearly. Need proof? Look at Monzo, the digital bank. It sticks to minimalism but still uses clever color and layout choices to inject personality. Swiss designers understand that limitations force smarter solutions. Stokes from 2005 proves that creativity improves under constraints. Swiss designers embrace this. They don't see limits as obstacles, they see them as opportunities. The Bauhaus principle taught that working within limits leads to smarter, more functional designs. Constraints don't hold Swiss designers back, they push them forward. Innovation happens because Swiss designers work smarter within boundaries. Swiss designs scale effortlessly. Start with the grid system, and your design adapts to growth without collapsing. Responsive web design, a direct descendant of Swiss principles, proves this. Look at Notion. Its modular design works perfectly on any device because Swiss principles make it adaptable. Modular design theory supports this. Baldwin and Clark in 2000 showed that modular systems grow without breaking down. Swiss design is scalable because it's built on simple, structured foundations. Swiss designs aren't fragile, they're built to grow. Swiss design doesn't just benefit users, it simplifies development. Clean design leads to clean code. Fewer design elements mean fewer things to break. Look at Slack. Its minimal interface means fewer bugs, easier maintenance, and faster scaling. Swiss designers think of development from the start. Fewer moving parts means fewer chances for things to go wrong. That's Swiss thinking. Swiss design is inherently accessible. Simplicity doesn't just help most users, it helps everyone. Think of Swiss money. Different sized bills help visually impaired users distinguish denominations. This thinking translates directly into digital design. Simple navigation, clear typography, and logical layouts make websites usable by everyone. Universal Design Theory, MACE 1997, confirms this. Accessible design benefits all users. Swiss designers integrate accessibility from the start, not as an afterthought. Swiss public infrastructure, like the Swiss Federal Railways, has long been built with inclusivity in mind. Swiss design doesn't exclude, it includes everyone. Swiss design doesn't follow trends, it creates solutions. Look at Google's homepage. It hasn't changed much because it's built for function, not fashion. Trends fade, function lasts. Swiss designers don't chase what's popular, they are designed for longevity. This approach comes from Bauhaus and modernism. Designs built to solve problems, not impress the eye. Swiss designers know that what works today will work tomorrow if it's built for function, not form. Swiss design isn't about looking good today, it's about working forever. To think like a Swiss designer, focus on clarity, simplicity, and function. Remove everything that doesn't serve a purpose. Use the grid to structure your design. Make typography a tool for communication, not decoration. Simplify to reduce cognitive load. Prioritize efficiency because the brain works better with fewer distractions. Innovate within constraints to push creativity forward. Design for scalability, simplify development, and ensure accessibility. Most importantly, don't follow trends. Solve problems with timeless, functional solutions. Swiss design isn't about making things look pretty, it's about making them work. Period. Thanks for watching.